Hi everybody, this is Wayne Wheeler and welcome to another Seasonal Source Training Minute. Today we're going to answer that age-old question of how many strands of lights does it take to decorate a tree? We're going to take a look at two different formulas. The first one is using 50 light count incandescent mini lights. The formula is this: you take the height and the width of the tree to get the square footage. On a spruce tree, it's the dimensions of the whole tree using an average width, and on a deciduous tree, it's the height and width of just the head of the tree. Don't include the trunk in your calculation. After you determine the square footage, multiply that number by 0.25, and that will tell you how many strands of 50 light count minis you will need to properly branch wrap the tree. Now, if you're using 70 light count LED minis, you do the same square footage calculation, but multiply the total by 0.18 to get your total amount of strands. So let's take a look at an example. This tree is 10 feet wide by 12 feet tall, which gives you a square footage of 120 square feet. Multiply that by 0.25, and that gives you 30 strands of 50 light incandescent minis, or multiply the 120 by 0.18, and this tree would take 22 strands of 70 count LED minis. Now you know how to answer that age-old question. Happy decorating.